Good afternoon, folks. This is Marvin Gill again from StockMarketPlan.com, coming to you with the Stock Market Watch, the February 4th edition. Right away, we're looking at the S&P 500 Trust again. Symbol SPY is the spider, and that's what I used again to gauge market index. We had an exciting day today, and I'll share with you here in a moment why I say that. First of all, again, first thing I'm going to do is point to you yesterday's high, the green dotted line, yesterday's close, the white dotted line, and if I zoom out a little bit, yesterday's low, the red dotted line, there it is right there. That was that shakeout. Okay, first, and I'm going to leave the picture right here where it's at right now so I can show you what I mean. Yesterday I referred to this pattern, what some would indicate is a bullish pattern, when we have an early shakeout, okay, volume increases, and then we work our way up into the close the rest of the day. Well, guess what, folks? Same thing happened today, okay? Not only did we have, let me zoom back in, not only did we have one shakeout, okay, and again, these yellow lines are previous closes, okay, and highs and lows of previous sessions. And I use them again to sometimes I find support and resistance there, okay, because there were buyers and sellers there depending on which way the market moved that day. But anyhow, we have a shakeout right off the open. We gapped up slightly, and then we just came right down, and we were negative right away because here's our close from yesterday. Then we rally up, okay, and then we rally up against the line twice, against the yesterday's high twice. Boom. Boom, right there. And then we do another shakeout, now taking us to a lower leg right here at 130.22. And that was the low of the day. The low of the day was 130.23. And then guess what we do? We do exactly the same thing that happened. We do exactly the same thing that happened yesterday. We end up rallying the rest of the day. Let me just draw it to this low and then extend it. Okay? And there's again, these gray areas, that's the aftermarket. Right now it is 4:28, okay, New York time, and here's the pre-market. So what we're paying attention is this session is in the black. So anyways, there you have it. Again, another shakeout once, twice, and we rally back up to finish in the green. Here's yesterday's high, blew right through it. Yesterday's close, blew right through it. Okay, now let me back out again to a daily. Clear uptrend, folks. There's the 2-year. Okay, here's the line I drew yesterday again. Okay, nothing bearish about this. There are shorts right now getting hosed. I mean, really hosed. The only prayer they have, to tell the truth, is this level here, just simply because of this level right here of consolidation. Now we blew through the bottom of that consolidation. Here's the bottom of that consolidation. Here's the top. I don't want to do that. Let's go this way. Okay. And let me extend it to the right. Show you what I mean. Okay. I mean, that's the only shot they have, and it really should be more of a straight line. I drew that on an incline, but we're approaching that level here. But volume, the only thing I don't like about this rally here is that volume is decreasing. Okay, you like to see, let's do this here. You like to see volume increase as we move up and when we find new heights, especially when you're breaking onto new ground. And unfortunately, we haven't seen that. But hey, you can't argue with price. Okay, price comes before volume. Volume is a second indicator to price. I'm sitting here watching this, and it's just really not in disbelief, but just saying, let the market work. Let the market work. The minute you start thinking other things and start letting all that noise, the Egypt noise, the jobs noise, and petrol oil noise, and getting in your head, you're gonna make. I found that I made lousy investment decisions based on that stuff. So, I mean, there's many traders, especially the professional traders on the floor. They're looking at this data. So, just wanted to chime in with you. You guys have a great weekend. Make sure you check out the blog post, my blog, www.stockmarketplan.com. I'm going to do a piece this weekend on real estate, on oil, and I'll probably follow up on gold, and you'll find it under the, and you will find that in the Commodities Market Watch tab on top of the page. I'll have anything from oil to gold, and real estate will be under the Market Watch tab. Okay, and I'm going to do that using I'm going to use the iShares for the Dow Jones U.S. Real Estate Index Fund, and that symbol is Indian Yellow Roger, is IYR. The kids are making a lot of noise coming in inside of the house. It's Friday, they're excited. Anyhow, you guys are great. Appreciate you watching the video. Please leave comments. I will post comments that are decent and not offensive. Definitely do that. Let's talk about this stuff. Okay, and let's make some sense of it all together. Okay, again, this is Marvin from StockMarketPlan.com with your Stock Market Watch for February 4th, 2011. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.